on with my stream deck this morning. Alright. Hello. Hello, hello. Of course the cat is not in the view. Close, not there. Good morning. Hello. Let me turn down the music a little bit. A wee bit. Pluck Blow Brave. Hello. Good morning. How are we doing? YouTube is working. I pressed live. Okay. I wasn't sure. I have to get used to the new habit of starting earlier for Twitch to get the ads going, and then putting on YouTube. Still getting used to it. But how are we this morning? My voice, like I'm back in teenage years, even though technically I don't think I went through that phase. Good morning. I wanted to try something before we start Godot. I saw somebody playing something. I'll wait a little bit, just in case some people aren't there yet, because some people might recognize themselves in their statements. But it's this thing here. Who done chat? I saw somebody do that, so basically it shows chat messages, and I have to guess who wrote it. I feel like it's gonna be hard because I don't know if it's gonna take chat messages from like before 2024. Because if so, I don't know. I don't know if I'll remember. But yeah, I thought we could start a little light this morning. I'm a little tired as usual. Surprise! Always tired. I feel like my music's a little loud. Is it? Let me turn it down just a wee. Just looking at where the bars are going. Depends on the song. Oh, I feel like this one's kind of loud. That should be fine. Should be fine. Anyway, let's start. I'm curious. Open the case. How does this work? Quiet channels take longer? Well, yeah, obviously. Files bold 3. 392 statements, 19 suspects. I'm hoping that's recent. I'm assuming it is, because I don't think Twitch keeps everything forever. So, yeah, I'm assuming it's gonna be little stuff that are from lately. So let's give it time. Is it me or is this box is crooked, isn't it? It's bugging me. I know they're doing it for like design purposes, but it's like not crooked enough to like work. It's bugging me. I don't like that it's crooked. Oh, we've gone up. Oh, okay. Oh shit, we're timed. To hide the cable management, of course. Oh, who the hell did that? Maybe Goat Smile? I think so. Well, I was faceless. Привет, hello. Are you using third-party app or just iPad to share mirror? Ooh, that was a new viewer, I think. Maybe Ray? Oh, I was going. Not a new viewer. Trickery is not intended for a casual playthrough or slightly What? I don't know who did this. Oh, it was Ray. Cool. Oh, I remember this. I think it was Yes, I'm not sure. Yes, I was right. We're flying to Rude Bruce. That's me. That's a great message. Wow. What? Oh, it's probably Trop because we were playing Hollow Knight, right? Yes. That I can't read though. I can read Privyet, but not the other one. Do we have points? Oh, who said that? Speedmore? Oh yeah. Let's go. I walk by murdered crows. Go Winky? Oh, I was trying to wolf. No. How's my night? Oh, that is so vague. Goat Smile maybe? Or Benza? Oh, Benza. Shit. Let's go. Which tattoo do I have? Who would have asked that? Not Castle. I don't think so. Maybe Code Monkey. Oh, I'm so bad. These are hard. Very hard. I got half correct. Look at me go. Yeah, just go after. I did learn Cyrillic, but it's gone from my brain. I'm trying to read like what you wrote after that. I'm like, Nope. Nope. It's gone. Gone from my brain. But it was just such a small word and easy word to remember, and like that one's like stuck in my brain, but the rest, no, not really. Yeah, it's hard. I tried Russian, it was hard. And like I got stuck immediately on like the robotic lady saying a phrase, and I'm supposed to like repeat after her, and I'm like, I have no idea what you just said, and I can't make it out. Not at all. Oh, how are you? T. I kind of assumed that was gonna be that. I just can't read it at all. Alright, that was interesting. Hard, but interesting. Alright, let's go to Godot. Alright, we were making the list of viewers, which is working fairly well. I played around with sizing and stuff. So, yeah. And this selection works. I'll have to make another view where I retrieve information from this chosen thing and then send it over to another view. I also want to make it bigger. Bones, hello, go smile. You're doing great, thank you. Thank you very much. So that's where we were. So, yeah. I played around with like sizing stuff a little bit when I my brain stopped working. Hello? I can't. Oh yeah, we could do the return button. Hold on. Okay, it goes directly to that because I did not do that. Yee. Signals, return. Oh. What should I do for that? It should be one function, right? Or not. Or I could optimize later and just do it as is right now. Pressed, gonna be pressed, yeah? Or something else. Yeah, just pressed. Pressed. Oh, I want a viewer list though. I want it here. Connect. On return, pressed. Or I could have added a main menu instead. Hold on. Would it still work? Hold on. Disconnect, please. Do an admin menu and have like a function. Okay. Looking at the cat. Sorry. Getting distracted. How am I doing today? I'm doing. Yeah. I need a vacation. There's 2 days and 1 week left before vacation. Ugh. I can't wait. Make my Jarvis and practice VR chat with English? Ooh, interesting. I'll burn out superbly? Yes. More than likely. Hopefully not. I'd rather not. Solos, vacation, yes. And as I've mentioned briefly, there will be no stream for the first week of vacation, and then the next week we'll see. We'll see. I might be like, you know, second week might be necessary. But yes, I should be gone for a bit. What will you guys do? On return pressed. So I'm gonna make a function. I guess I'll make a function. Manage views, I guess. How would I know though? I'll try. It would be great to have it in one single function. Pre-record streams. Oof. Yeah, no. Like maybe reruns. But I don't think my streams are worth reruns. I don't know. I'm gonna need the view. Which is gonna be... Question, what am I gonna pass? program an AI that streams for it, and yet I have a no AI tag. That would be... that wouldn't work. Also, I'd have barely 2 weeks to program an AI. I don't think so. I don't think that will work. Okay. How am I gonna do that? Manage views on return press. What can I get from you? Again. With JavaScript, how do I... I don't know what I'm looking for, so it's kind of hard to type. It would be a pressed event. What can I do with it? What does it return? How do I call it? Maybe a button. Properties. Alignment, total rev. No, that's for the... not quite it. But I don't want the button itself. I want the signal. Signals. Is there like signals? Signal. Alright. Not really. Not what I meant. Get, okay, Godot. Get button pressed event data, I guess. What is the words that I have to write down in the code? What are the words? Sorry. Does it exist? Can I do it? Can I not? Hair. I lose my hair. Okay, there is custom pressed. Map name, where does that come from? There's gotta be a better way. No, it's for the keyboard and keys and stuff. Not what I want. Ugh, it's hard to write the right thing. Maybe this? Event button index. No, that's not it. Button pressed. What? Brain. Too tired to figure it out. Jeez. Okay. Oh. Wait, where am I? I'm in menu, right? Return, yes. That is confusing though. I should probably rename it? Because at some point this might be confusing if I have multiple returns. Now I think about it. Yeah, let's remove it for now, disconnect it, rename it, redo it. Did I not disconnect that? Hello? Did I disconnect the wrong thing? We'll see. We'll see. Connecting from... Okay, that's better. So many extra lines. Jeez. Okay, that's better. A lot more clear. Manage views. Let's see. Can I return? Is there this? No. Self? I don't know what that's gonna print, but we'll see. Okay. Control. Cool. So clear. Okay, so maybe there's like self name or something. I think you're right. Auto clip cursor, blah 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 blah. They're like name. Look at that, there is. Magic. Just stumbling my way around in Godot. Do do do. Oh shit! It returns the admin menu. Hey. I guess I don't have a choice to like separate them. Maybe. Doesn't return the button itself though, which is annoying. Oh, self is probably referring to the controller, but how do I get the button? This. Well, at least now I know how to use self. Look at that, but that's not what I need. Ay. Do. On press, maybe? I don't think it's gonna help me. No. When it's pressed. See, what are they doing? Next window plus strength. I guess I would have to do a function specific to that button. I just want to optimize too quickly, I think. Unless I do, can I really do this? I can try this. Don't know if it's gonna work. Hello, Nosmo. Good morning. Where's your balloon? Oh, there it is. Just quick check here. Let's try that. Yeah. It does nothing. Wait, did I put it in the right spot? Yes. Yeah, I did. It did nothing. Look at that. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. How are you doing? Well, that ain't working. Trying to figure things out. When you connect it. Oh, maybe it's during the connection. Maybe I missed something. Hold on, let's redo it again. Again! I just want to see the signal, press, connect to stray. There's nothing else I can... maybe advanced. Extra call arguments. Oh, look at that! There's many things I can do. But I just need a string. Add. But, guess I don't have choice. Return. Viewers. Signal deferred one shot, blah blah blah. Connect so that... oh. So this should print out what I just put in, technically. Ah, hair. The hair is tickling me. Tickles. Tickle. Okay. That works. I just don't know how to modify that. If I need to, do I like double click on this? No. So many spaces. Okay, I don't need to pass yet. Well, anymore, actually. I don't know. How do we... oh, edit. Okay, that's how we do that. Okay, cool. That's how we go back. Okay, so we have that. Now, if I do manage views... so it's gonna be manage views, pass the extra argument. That's pretty much all it's gonna do. And then I'm gonna have a switch, which is called what in Godot? Is it a match? Yes. Match view. Actually, not view. Oh, should I really call it manage views? Or. I'll keep it as is. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Manage view if it's return. Whoops. See, return viewers. This is how we write this. I forget. I want to do a switcheroo in visible thingamaggies. Thingamaggies. So this one. Boop. Visibility equals false. Is that how it works? Unsure. And then new line, the main box, this one, visible. I think I did it right. I'm not sure. I am just trying things. It works! And then this one's gonna have to the inverse. Woohoo! Look at me go this morning. Doing things. Also, I'm probably not gonna do the full 1 hour and a half. I know I'm normally doing office today, but I've had issues with my car. So I can't exactly go there right now. I could have gone by bus, but there's bench carb spotlight hour tonight. I didn't want to miss that. So maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But yeah, I'm still not gonna do the full 1 hour and a half today. I am quite tired. I might stop a little bit earlier. So we'll see. Giganzo, hello. Good morning. Hello, hello. Alright. So we have this one. On viewer press, this one attached. Is it attached? Yes, it is. Okay. I wasn't sure. Of course it is. Of course it is. So then we'll have... Oh no, I have to redo it. Or no, not redo it. Just edit it. I'm silly. Just edit. So I have the viewer from the main menu. Yeah. I'm probably gonna optimize things later. Cause I'm gonna get confused. What am I gonna call it? 2 viewers. And then it's gonna be the inverse. There's probably a better way of doing this. Whatever. You. Edit. We're gonna add a string called 2 viewers. Connect. Oh, well, that didn't. Oh, wait, hold on. I must have forgotten something. What am I missing? I have an argument, 2 viewers. Do I have to... It's not appearing. Okay, let's just redo it so it does it for me. Why are you still connected? Why you do this to me? That orange doesn't work? Orange? Oh. Wait. Well, Giganzo doesn't have a color. What orange? Wait, is that what you're talking about? Ah, right, my random colors are borked. Everything's black. Oh, I see Giganzo's white. That's weird. Look, I'll show you. This is what I see. It's like they don't have a color. Very strange. Huh. Huh. Very strange. Very strange indeed. 2 viewers. Connect. So this should work. Yay, now I can start it properly. Have this turned off, this turned on, turned off, turned on, all of it. So it works, woohoo! Yay, resume doesn't work yet. Very strange. The one who could answer is Chiganzo. Do you have a color? Please help us with this mystery. So it's random to you? Looks orange here too. Haven't seen. Oh, there it is. Well, why is it orange? Yeah, the black balloon's back because the console doesn't have a color, but like my random color board is borked for some reason. It should be random. Actually, no, it should be purple. The hecky? Also, what did the black balloon hit to go back that way? What? Very strange. I saw a weird movement. Someone is escaping now. No! Oh yeah, I can see it. It's gone. Oh, Cafe StreamerBot with the blue balloon. Yay. Oh, I can see. Oh, I can see the black balloon in this one, but it's like hidden. It's. Oh, there it is. Oh, oh no, Debatable's gone. Well, on the stream, on the game, the new game version, it's. Did he hit another balloon without me seeing? What? Rip! No, they're gone. Cool, cool, cool. It works. Nice. Now I need to maybe do the resume one. Cue it. Bye bye. Do. On resume. Gonna do the inverse of what the escape button does. Well, actually, what the escape button does. Where did I put that? Huh? Interesting. Huh. Oh, it's just this. Just this little thing here. But it's from the main. Can I do it from here? Or is it gonna be like, no, it's not from your scope, you cannot do it. Yeah. Unless I call. How am I gonna do that? Unless I put resume pressed in the main instead. Yeah, that would probably be smarter. Rip. It is warm. A little warm. 26.4. Alrighty. What was I doing? Main. Okay. Zoom. Disconnect this one. Okay, that's good. Oh my god, main is starting to be long. That's okay. So resume. We're gonna connect. Pressed. We're gonna put it in. I can't. No. What up? I have to put it in the menu itself. That's annoying. How am I gonna call that outside its scope? There's probably a way. Do you know the way? Yeah, I'll do that later. Have I ever been on a hot air balloon? Have I? Maybe? I have vague souvenirs. maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. I would have been really young, because there used to be like a whole hot air balloon festival over here, and now it's like on the south side, south shore, but like I vaguely remember stuff, but maybe. Unsure. Just go for no, since I can't really remember. Like, I don't know if it's an actual souvenir or it's my brain inventing things. No idea. How could I forget about freaking air balloon? Well, if you're like 3 or 4 years old, yes. It's possible. I guess. It's kind of a blur back then. I vaguely remember the hot air balloons, like flying and everything. I kind of remember maybe going in one of the baskets, but I don't know if we flew. Is the thing. And hello. Welcome in, Mumi Jamala. Hello. Okay, I'm not gonna do the presume. I'm gonna work more on the viewers. Figure that one out, because that one's gonna be something. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know what I changed, but okay. Okay. You're pressed. Oh, that's... Wait. Hold on. Wait, I'm so confused now. What did I do? Why did I put it there? No, yeah, no, that's fine. Oh, God. Oh, it's gonna be confusing because on viewer press can also mean on the... That's fine, let's do it. Okay, on the item selected, click to know that, that's fine. Activated... selected... Just clicked. Or selected. Selected would be fine. Yeah. Selected will change your view. That means we're gonna need a new view. A new V-box. A new V-box. Which we're gonna have a text that has the viewer name. Just a label. Just a label. A label, we're gonna have... What are we gonna have? Let me look at my user data. What do I want? Do I want everything, or do I just want the stuff I can modify? Ooh, sprites are gonna be annoying to change. Ugh. Oh god, how am I gonna do that? For now, I think I'm gonna put points. Maybe the source. I need the sprites, obviously. The points, I need to be able to modify them. So I'm gonna need like a text box, basically. Sprites, I don't know yet. How am I gonna do that? Probably means that with the sprites, either... You could 2 ways. Either I type them in and hope I don't make an error. Or I make a dictionary of all of them somewhere. And I save that. Either or. And let's just start with points. I think points is gonna be easier to do than sprites. Because, yeah, I've chosen and owned. There's 2 different things. 2 different things. Viewer list points. Okay, if it's selected. Right, labels. We're gonna have points. So we're gonna need another label with a text box. But those 2 are gonna be in a H box. So that I need them one beside the other. H box, in which we'll have a label. With a text box. Does that exist? Text edit. I'm assuming that's kind of a text box. Text editor or line edit. Input field single line. Yes. Yes. Okay, so this label is gonna be the viewer name. The viewer name, which is gonna be changed when we switch views. Hopefully. Ideally, that's what we want. This label is gonna be points. There we go. I will make things prettier. Point. And then we'll have a section with sprites. We'll have the, okay, that little piano riff. It made me think of the is it NBC? The more you know. For some reason, that made me think of that. Okay, thinking sprites. So we have chosen and we have owned. For now, I think I'm gonna make text box. I mean, for chosen, yeah. I don't know yet. I don't know. So it's gonna be a V box with an H box again. Inside this one. Oh boy. So many. So V box in which we'll have first a label and then an H box again. In which there's gonna be a label and another text field. It looks a little strange. Text line edit. There we go. How do I get points? Just by being there. Just having your balloon on screen. It's a timer based point system. Sprite. Gonna be chosen. And then we'll have another H box. Looking? Oh, that was gonna be harder. Unless I just go text. No, I can't. I can't. It's a dictionary. How am I gonna do that? What do we have access to, actually? Hold on, this one's not gonna be this. I should probably rename this. Yeah. Yeah, it's bugged. The V1 is bugged. So, it's probably because of the payload on the Twitch side is borked because I updated it to a StreamerBot. Ah, boy, yay, hello. You always wake up early in the morning, tell me the secret. Go to bed early. It's pretty much it. There's no secret really. Owned. Yep. Did my balloon escape again? Probably. More than likely. Unless it's that purple one. But then again, it's back. Okay, it is that one. It is that one indeed. Let's see, what do I have access to that could be practical for that? Container. Maybe an item list? An item list could be good. Since it's a dictionary, I guess. Then I'll be able to add maybe something to be able to erase and everything. Yeah, an add. Fixed it. There you go, 1,000,000 points. Item list. Okay, how did I... Gonna be auto with. Wait, how did I do it last time? I had a size, a specific size at some point. Because I know last time we tried auto height and it definitely wasn't the right thing. I just can't recall where I changed that. Layout. Custom, I think it's here. Custom minimum size. It's gonna be at least 100 pixels maybe. Ooh, I'm gonna have to fix my layout. Alignment. Not center. How do I... But that's... nope. That's not it. How do I do this? It looks silly. Not a layout. Transform maybe? No. Container sizing. Okay, maybe this. This. Ah! Definitely not. Definitely not. Expand, stretch. How do I do it? It'd be nice if the bot was more personable. Maybe at some point. I just want my own to be on top. How do I do that? If it was CSS, I'd just do a flex and then justify content. Ah. No, I don't want to expand it. I want to align my own on top. Unless it's the fill. No, it's not that. Yes, hello. Welcome in. So, maybe not in layout, maybe... I doubt it's in there. No. What would it be? In ordering, texture, material, node, process? Nope. Oh, maybe. Yeah, it's too simple. My brain. Yeah, that makes sense. I have CSS brain, so that's why. Because in CSS, you do that on the parent, not on... Well, you can do it on the child, but it's just easier on the parent. Because everything is affected. There we go. Now, of course, the list is empty, so it looks silly. I should probably give it a min width, actually. For now, it's teeny weeny. I will play with that, but I'm not gonna do auto width. I'm gonna give it a width. And it's got 100 again. It's a little box. Little box. For now, it's gonna be that. No very pretty. Okay. What am I looking for? Code. Anything else? Because the first wins, second wins, all that is going to be related probably to a third version. Because that's going to be the RB scene. It's not a scene we're going to see often. So doesn't matter. And maybe source. Source is not going to be modifiable. That one's just going to be text. Maybe under viewer name. Yeah. And then I have to rename everything. Woo! So this one is viewer info. Call it that. Viewer name. First wins. Yeah, it's gonna be all about the BRB and fighting system. I did say we're gonna do the fighting system in V2, but that might not be the case. I might release the second version earlier because we're having bugs on V1 on the stream, as you know, like balloons disappearing and stuff. And payload that's not going through. Okay, viewer name. I'm gonna have another H box right after this one. Yeah. Thinking. Brain. H box. It's gonna be, oops, no wait. This one's gonna be source container. Or source box, I guess. Let that. And then give it a label. Source title. This one's gonna be source. Another label. This one's gonna be just source. Like, for example, Twitch. Could be cool to have a logo. I'll see if I add that or not. Obviously now it's not very pretty, but I need it to be functional before it's pretty. Yeah, the first wind stuff, I forget why I called it that. Winds. I wrote winds wrong! No! No! Damn it. Second winds. You have a second wind. First winds. What was my thought process on that one? I forget. Oh, yes. Okay, how many times you were first, how many times you were second, and how many times you were third. Because there might be something connected to that eventually. Maybe like medals and stuff. Who knows? But it's just there. To be there for now. It's just thoughts in a save file. Okay, source, and then we have points. Points, box. Which we have point. Or points label, I should call it points label. Should do the same for this one. Source. Source label. Label, and then we have points. Sprites. Sprites box. Because that would have been confusing if I didn't rename anything. Okay, so this is just the sprites label. Wow. Sprites label. I feel like why am I working in a such a small window? Just realizing that I'm like, why am I doing this? Sometimes I do that. Chosen box. Yeah. Chosen box. Chosen label. It's a little more boring to look at, obviously. It's just renaming stuff and making these things. But who knows, maybe you're learning something. Emoji menu enabled. Ooh, I could put emojis. Preferably not. Chosen field? And then we have owned box. I kind of want to explore also the possibilities of my fields. See what I can do. Owned label. And then owned list. There we go. Beautiful. This I wanted to look at. Alignment left, max length none, that's fine. Emoji no, because they're numbers, so it shouldn't be. I wonder if there's a way of stopping me writing anything else but numbers. If layout, canvas item, text placeholder text. Oh, that's chosen though. That chosen is fine. Chosen is text. I'm just gonna put default just to give it a look. Points, maybe 0 by default. 0 points. Unless I put it as placeholder instead. Just like, oh, nice. Beautiful. I do the same with the other one. It's nicer. Tickles my brain better. Alignment max length. Keep editing on text. What does that mean? Will not exit edit mode when text is submitted by pressing UI text submit action. Okay. Expand text length to text length. No. I don't want that. Context menu enabled. Do I want that? Backspace deletes. What? Composite character enabled. What? What the Clear button enabled. No. Shortcut keys. Middle mouse space. Selecting. Blah blah blah. Drag and drop. Okay. Flat, draw control, select all, virtual keyboard, caret, secret, nope, icon, icon. Nice. What an icon. Okay. I guess by code I could limit what I can type in there. Ah, itchy. Okay, it basically looks like this. I know I'm gonna need like a background at some point. One day I'll do it. Okay, so everything's named. Now I have to figure out how to bring the info into this window. Yippee! Or actually I should probably do the button first. Well, actually, yes, it is the button. List is the button. The button. Not that. Okay, this one is that one, and then this one. Okay, cool. Viewer info, there we go. This one should be on. There's a spin box that only accepts numbers, but you have to set a range for it. Not sure if you want that. Ooh, no. I do not. No. Okay. Why am I looking at this? I don't want to look at this. Viewer list. Change of position. On item selected. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with the views. Wait, hold on. Get item text. Oh, I'm gonna need this. I'll keep it for now. Oops. Where is my... There it is. So we are gonna make this one invisible. Poop. Oh, poo. Here we go again. This is in the item list. Can I deal with views from the item list? I'm back to the same problem. Ah. Also, let me just see. It worked, right? Yes, it does. Okay, cool. Woo-wee. Unless I deal with the button clicking. No, I can't because I need to pass the user. Me and scopes. I don't do well with scopes. And stuff and all that. Ugh. How can I access my admin menu stuff from my item list code? Don't know why I did that. That was useless. Well, yeah, no. A range on the points would not be very effective. I don't know the range. Unless I go to 1,000,000 and more. Who knows? Oh, gee, sorry. Little break. Little tiny break. Oh, that reminds me. I just want to check something real quick. I was just thinking of like, because I did say I was going to end earlier. And I'm like, do I let the ads roll or not? Because there's like 6 minutes before they come back. I'm like, I might snooze them. I might snooze. Anyway, while I'm here, let me check out what I'm asking. Access. Yeah. Oops, I have the right Godot. You silly goof. The global. I'm gonna access nodes from a different scene. Same scene, follow node path, or export variables. Let me see, just reading. Reloader, emit signal, reload scene, but that doesn't work. That's not quite what I need. Bah! Bah! Not quite, not quite. Access nodes from other node. Godot. Not scenes, just nodes. The same scene. You guys don't have the answer? No. You're busy. Let's see. Signal or callable. Doesn't work. This line of code. On ready.
The ads commits.
Ah, no, they don't. I don't want to. No. No. What? Wait, what do you mean? Hold on, how do I snooze? Where's my button? I cannot. I can't yet. Why can't I do it yet? Guess it's because it hasn't been a minute yet? What? Hold on. Because this alert that you just heard is supposed to come when it's 1 minute before the ads, but I can still see there's 3 minutes 30 seconds with pre-roll off. Twitch, you be confusing. Why can't I snooze? Oh well, I guess we're going through ads. Thank you, Coffee StreamerBot. I really should do more with that page, coffee and all that. I really don't. Like, I should post like updates on things and everything, make it interesting, but right now it's not. And I should also update my website for the project itself. Okay, now the ads are running. Why can't I snooze? Oh, okay. Probably only Nosmo can hear me, or people who don't have ads, or in a place that can't have ads. Or they have turbo, or either or, but I hide those that don't have ads. Apparently I can't snooze? Why? I don't know. Very strange. Very, very strange. It did not let me snooze. Huh. That is a bit of a problem. Because I might need that in the future. Guess I'll continue looking at my problem while the ads are running. Game oversee. Na. Not quite what I need. This. Node. Dove. I'm sure it's really simple. I don't want scenes because it's not a different scene. It's the same one. Access nodes from another node. Absolute path. Get node. We're talking to promote modularity, yes, but what's the answer? Going up in the tree creates requirements for your code. Having parent manage children, give the enemy a function like target player, so the world can inform. Maybe. Oh, I do actually kind of have a function that does that. Technically, manage views. I guess I could. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. I'm gonna have to. Because the list is in one view. Oh, it's gonna have to be main that does that, not. I see. So it's gonna be this. It's gonna be called. Oh, I need to pass more than one actually. Oh no. I need another argument to go through. Okay, so this one's gonna be viewer info. Call it that. Don't know if you guys are back yet. I didn't. Should be soon. Viewer info for now, pass. Just wanna add a little something. Username, which will be a string that we can do a default for. And then we can pass it through and make another function. Yeah. And then this control can call the save file. What am I gonna call this? Display viewer info. Yeah. That's gonna be username. Here's tickling me. Username. To the string, obviously. Does it return anything? Not really. This is a void. Now we're gonna pass. Display. Username. And we're gonna make yeah. So technically it's gonna be viewer box false. And then it's gonna be viewer info instead of main box. Viewer info visible true. There. That should work. Kind of. Not really. It's not doing anything right now because I'm not actually calling it. And then I'm gonna have to make this callable from the other place. How do I do that? And now it's signal, game saved, game loaded, export game data. So I just okay. Can I just do menu? Thought I heard something that was weird. No, not menu bar. Admin menu. How did I do it? Save data. Save data. I'm too tired for this. Also, probably welcome back from the odds if it's probably over by now. I'm assuming you guys are back. I just want to do a quick check really. Okie dokie. All is well, ads are gone. Pre-rolls off. Twitch ads. We have escaped ads. Yay, Osishi, hello, good morning. Hello. Yeah, they're annoying ads. Sometimes I wish I could just turn them off, but I've been imposed affiliate again. Didn't want to go through support again and then bring it back later on when we're on to the channel redeem stuff for the fighting system. Twitch decided it was back. Morning. Hello. September next week though? Ooh, next week? Isn't it the week after that? We're still in August next week. Are they starting early? 28th? Really? They're starting early. Would you rather be Kai Cenat or Kanye West? Neither? I don't want to be someone else. No thank you. I don't really follow anything from both of them, so I'm like, I don't know. Like, just meh. Definitely not. Isn't it Yay now? Think about it. Neither. Yeah, neither. No. I'm fine as myself, thank you. Zorro, hello. Good morning. Quite the existential question this morning. Bum, 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 bum. Okie dokie. This should work. What am I calling? Menu. Manage views. I have a feeling it's not just gonna work out of the box, right? I don't think so. I don't think so. This is essentially what I want it to be. Yeah, that's what I thought. How did I get save to work though? I don't know. Save data. Save data is... And what's the difference? That one's a node. I'd be stuck. Artist-wise, music? All sorts of stuff. What have you been listening to lately? Random stuff? I rarely look at the artist, though. I like go for, oh, I like this song, and then I add it to my list, but I never look at who sings or what. Lately? Wait, lately. Oh, also, I gotta put that back. Lately... Itchy. I got JJ from Eurovision. I've got Kyle Gordon, Mr. Champo. I've got Eternia from Masters of the Universe. Yeah, I got big mixed things. I've got like Magalena from Brazil, from the Rio Carnival. Kind of big mix, very big mix. Got Mileo, Komiat, bunch of different names. Karia. Yeah, it depends on my mood. I went through like a whole K-pop Demon Hunter mood at some point. It's been a while since I listened to it. Now I think about it. I'm getting the itch. Oh no. Oh no. I do like Epic the musical. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. The one with the Odyssey, but in musical form. Yeah, I really like that. How do I make a function? Global. Make function global. Just that one function. That's all I need. That's all I need. It would go better if I wrote the right type of code. Global scope. That is not what I need. Globals. Best practices. Buttons, I'll load, get node. Oh yeah, I remember now. I know where it is. It's so hidden further in the in here. I see. Alright, let's add menu. There we go. This should work. Should help it. Ta-da! That was it. Ta-da! But yeah, what do you like as far as music goes? Like, there's so many varied things. I feel like I need new stuff, but I don't like the new chart stuff. Obviously, it's chart stuff, the usual. I tend to like some weird stuff in general. I do have like my hyper techno playlist for when I really want to get hyped. But I'm very particular about the songs I listen to on that one. I'm very picky. Very, very picky. It has to tickle my brain, right? Tickle. Okay, so now we have manage views, so it should go through here. I forgot something. Did I forget something? Yes, I did. This one, which is gonna be viewer info. There we go. That's better. And then we'll print out user info, see if it goes through, if it works or not. Did I create a bug or did I not? Boop, I did. Well, that's unfortunate. Value visible to type bool based on what? But it's the same. What? What do you mean? Let me just drag it into it. Huh? It worked for the other one, why doesn't it work for this one? Valid assignment property visible value with value of type bool base object at null instance, but it's not null, it's there, it exists. What do you mean? Redo. Let's try again. Maybe it just didn't like me writing it instead of... No, still doing it. What did I do? What did I do? Move on the chair. Change position. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna do this for now. Whoops. I just want to see the print. That's all. For now. It works. It works. Yippee. I seem to have a second print though. It must be in the list. Yes, this one. There we go. That's all I need. Empty click, that's the deselect, but that's kind of useless because technically when I click it will change views. Oh, the on. It is back. Oh, item activated is also kind of useless. What's the difference between activated and selected? I can remove both of these actually. Kind of useless. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so that works. But why is my view not working? It's working for the other two. Why doesn't it work for this? Is it because I'm inside the scope of viewer list or something? Is it because it calls a function inside viewer list and then it thinks it's still in viewer list and then it doesn't work? Why? So I'm assuming this one would also not work if it's for both. Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought. It's scopes. I hate scopes. Why are scopes so annoying? It would have been so perfect. Wah! Unless... Would it work? I gotta think about that. But I think I'm gonna be ending here just to end a little earlier. Just for today, I am quite tired. Oh no. Wah! The yawns are coming. Oh no, they cometh. They cometh. Yeah, that's why I wanted to snooze the ads, because I knew it was gonna end relatively earlier. I'm like, no, the ads were there for nothing. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Who are we going to this morning? I have some time, I'm not in a hurry. I guess I could look for new people. Do I follow this person? I am confused. Yes, I do. I don't remember why. I don't know why, because there's AI. I don't know, I don't follow them. Okay, good. Good. let's go. I feel like I've seen this name before. Oh god, pre-rolls. Ew. Gross. No ads after pre-roll? Wait, what do you mean? Is that doable? Game design, C++, no AI. That's good. That's good. I like that. Racing games. Oh, have we been there before? I think we have. I'm not sure. Not sure. Yes, we have. Okay, I remember it now. Choices. What the heck am I looking at? I just saw the last pirates die together image. I was like, okay, hello? Okay, who's doing what? No, that's just chatting. I didn't mean to click just chatting. Software. I don't want to read the same people, but at the same time, kind of hard. Oh god, waterfalls. No, not that again. Oh no, it's gonna be in my head. Just looking at the word just makes it go off in my brain. No. Okay, close this. Choices. FPS game. I mean, Rian art did some pretty nice pixel art last time. Am I seeing something? Is there a hair on my face? Oh, now he's coding. Okay. What's he coding in? That looks like yes code. I mean, let's go there. I'm not very inspired. That's funning again. Sing a little bit of it. No. Because it'll become worse and it'll stick in my head. No. Okay, we're going to Rian art. He's coding his little game. I do believe it's the same game that... Oh god. Oh no. Smoke detector. Beep. No. Change your battery. Ah. Yeah, it's supposed to do check your stuff twice a year. With the time change, if you have a time change. But some people don't. Hello, by the way. Welcome in. Thank you for the reminder to check your smoke detectors. Beep. Anyway, we're reading out to Rian R. Thank you for being here and hanging out with me while I figure out my menus and stuff. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, should be. Depends if I decide to go by bus to the office or not. It shouldn't affect the stream. Hopefully not. But it's gonna be Blender tomorrow. If I'm fine. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Follows anonymous. Welcome in. As I was saying, yes, we're continuing the office tomorrow. My little office area in Blender. Yes. And I really should continue the tutorials. There's like new stuff from Polygon Runway that I want to check out. So there's that. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day, and see you guys tomorrow morning.